Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is part 2 of the super easy Christmas card series, which kids as young as 5 years of age can also try. If you haven't checked part 1 of the series, do check it out for more ideas. You can find the link in the description below. If you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. I hope you enjoy painting these cards as much as I did. So let's get started. Firstly, I will quickly go through the supplies. For this tutorial, I have not used watercolor papers as I wanted to experiment a bit and check out if I'm able to get satisfactory results with a different paper. I have used ready-made blank cards which are easily available in the pound stores, and they have a glossy finish to them. The only thing you need to be mindful of is longer drying times with this sort of paper. You can use any thick paper or card paper available in your homes for these cards. I use Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolors, but the good news is that you can try these out with acrylics, poster colors, or any other colors available in your homes. I also used a bubble wrap, synthetic round brushes size 2, 6, and 10, a black gel pen, and 3mm adhesive gems for the decoration. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first card, I have taped it down and created an elongated triangle using masking tape and just painted simple diluted green paint. And I have now put a bubble wrap on top, and I'm slowly lifting it after pressing it down. I'm just taking off the masking tape now. It's just created some interesting edges if the paint is still wet. So for the next card, again I have got my masking tape on all 3 sides, and I am using sap green color, just doing a zigzag patterned line and filling in with some darker green color. So I'm using a size 6 brush for this one. While this is drying, we'll go back to our first card and add some yellow bubbles here and there. Okay, so this is almost dry. I wanted to get that interesting effect, so I've taken off the masking tape while it was still slightly wet. Okay, so for the next card, I haven't put masking tape, but you can feel free to do so if that helps you. I'm just dropping in some red color using a size 10 brush. It's got a tip so I can vary the size of the circle. So you can vary the tone of the color as well by adding in slightly more water. So by varying the tone of the color, you can get some really interesting effects, as you can see here. Some of the circles are really dark and some are really light. So for the next one, I'm just doing a rough outline of a triangle. And I'm using purple color and a size 2 brush. And as you can see, all I'm doing is just drawing lines from left to right. You can use a scale to guide you if you prefer that. And you can also vary the thickness of the line. So my intention is to thicken the lines as I come towards the bottom of the card. So I'm using a thicker brush now, size 10 brush, so that I get more paint off my brush. And I can also widen the gap I'm leaving in between these lines. Okay, so for the next card, I decided to go diagonal. So I'm using cadmium red color, and size 2 brush again, and as you can see I'm varying the thickness of the lines as well. I start from the bottom left corner and go upwards, and as I go upwards I tend to press my brush a bit more and it just widens my stroke. Start with the tip and press the brush as you go upwards, and see how beautiful this looks. I'm left white caps in between. I'm going to let it dry, and I've decided to do the trunk of the tree as well. Let it dry now. So my first card is now dry, almost dry, and I'm just doing the trunks of these trees now. I thought it would be nice to darken a few circles here and there. You can add a bit of red as well if you like. I mean, it's entirely up to you. You can get creative here. Okay, so this card's now dry and I can go with the second layer of color. So I decided to use a yellow color, and I'm just going in the opposite direction diagonally. And see how these colors superimpose and create such transparent and beautiful effect. Okay, now I'm just writing Merry Christmas using a black gel pen on all the cards. Okay, and I decided to put in a few decorations on these trees, which are simply adhesive gems. If you have stars, you can add those as well. You also get colorful gems, so you can vary this. I mean, I just had golden gems, so I'm just going for it. See how beautiful it looks with the gems on. So for this one, as the lines are diagonal, I decided to put the gems also diagonally. All my cards are now ready. This includes cards from part 1 of the series as well. All I need to do now is write a personalized message for my dear friends and post them. I'm hoping they will like these cards. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would really motivate me to create more content for you all. If you would like to see similar tutorials with quick, simple tips and hacks to create easy artwork, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be posting another video on Christmas cards very soon, which would be my last post on Christmas cards for 2020. So keep watching this space. Till then, take care. Bye for now.